Hello everybody, welcome back to Stop on Yellow RVing with Alex over at Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut. Today we're getting a look at the all-new floor plan for 2024. This is the 24 Jayco J-Flight 235 MBH, so a Murphy bunkhouse. This unit's going to come in at 27 feet 9 inches overall and about 5,700 pounds there, dry weight. So nice half-ton towable. Give you a good pan of the outside. You got your big power awning on it. Comes out about 8 feet. Power tongue jack on the front. 2 20-pound propane bottles with the cover. Got this nice fiberglass front cap to go with your diamond plate here. Prep for side view and backup cameras with your Furrion system there. Good size pass-through storage down here. This is going to be a 30 amp coach, so you get the 30 amp power cord. You also get the outside griddle with it. It's got the upgraded rock solid stabilizers on it. So a lot more stabilization with those compared to the old scissor jack styles. It's all tinted windows on it as well. Good for privacy. You've got outside speakers on it. It's going to be a spot for an outside TV bracket. You've got your cable connection and outlets right here. And then your freshwater tank fill if you're doing some dry camping. There's going to be your furnace. You've also got your Jayco Goodyear endurance tires on it, the nitro fill, the galvanized steel wheel well up under here. Checking out the outside kitchen. Do have a mini fridge here, as well as 2 storage drawers. Then off the back, you're gonna have your quick connect for propane right down there, that thing there. And then your griddle that slides right into your receiver here on the back. And it's also got a spray port, so you have access to water over on this side of the coach. Roof ladder, standard, fully walkable roof. And then this is going to be your on-demand hot water heater here. 60,000 BTU. Power cord connection there, spare tire. Over here is going to be your cable TV input. There's your offshoot for your gray and black tank. City water connection, outside shower, and then your black tank flush. One slide out on this unit. Let's go take a look at the inside of it. Starting off on the right over here. Going to have your couch with some storage drawers under it. And then wardrobes on both sides. Like I did say, this is a Murphy bed in this unit. Helps keep the weight down, keep the length down. You still get a couch, a dinette, master bed. That just jackknifes out. And we'll drop the Murphy bed. And that drops down, queen size bed. It's also the modern farmhouse interior. A little redesigned for 2024. You've got windows on both sides of the bed and they both open. You can get a nice cross breeze going. That's gonna be your 30 amp solar controller. There's a 200 watt panel up on top of this unit. Large U-shaped dinette here with storage on both sides. Can seat 4 people pretty easily. Also makes another sleeping space. Coming over to the kitchen here. All nice white finishes on the cabinetry. And then spot for a TV here. Put like a swing out bracket so you can watch it from either the dinette or the bed or the couch. storage up here. Then you've got your oven down here. Then big safety feature, if you ever leave your gas on, it's going to light up red so you know. With your 3 burners. There's your circuit board down here, converter. So fuses, breakers. Large storage drawer right here. This would be good for the pots and pans. And then 12-volt refrigerator, very spacious, very efficient. And freezer as well. And a microwave. Then you've got some more storage here. This would be good for the kids' stuff. Or pantry space. Then you've got your 2 double over double bunks here. These are rated for 600 pounds each with the Jaycos. They also use the 4-inch teddy bear mattresses for them.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
And then we've got USBs up there in the bunk, outlets down there. Then the back window is an emergency exit. Then the top window does open as well. Get that question a lot. If the windows in the bunks open, yes they do. There's going to be your, pretty much for your HVAC, heat and air conditioning. Then a good sized bathroom on a 27-foot unit. Good amount of space in here. Got your sink with the matte black finish, storage down there. And Jayco did bring back the medicine cabinets for the J flights in 2024. Over here, this is going to be for your Suburban hot water heater. Nice, keep it in the bathroom so you can just turn that on when you're ready to take a shower. Light switch, GFI outlet, and then you're going to have your towel hanger. And then toilet paper holder. Very large shower in here as well. Very spacious with the skylight above it. Spots to keep all your soaps and other toiletries. Storage up here. Good for your linens. And then foot flush toilet. And this has been a good basic overview of the J-Flight 235 MBH. Nice smaller travel trailer, lightweight, sleeps a ton of people. When you're done with your bed, just pop it up, close these latches. Couch just jackknifes up. Nice and simple. It's back to a seating position. Once again, this has been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Taking a look at the 24 J-Flight 235 MBH. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Watch another video. Thank you.